He decapitated 22-year-old Yang Xin in January when the pair was having coffee together on the campus of Virginia Tech.
A former Virginia Tech graduate student accused in a fatal attack on a female classmate has been sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole.
The murder of Yang Xin, Blacksburg, Virginia, United States, 2009. Welcome to the Murder Lullabies. Tonight, we return to a college town in the Blue Ridge Mountains, to brick walkways and student ID swipes, to a campus that had already learned what sirens sound like, and to a place meant for coffee and quiet conversation, a cafe table, a winter evening, a routine moment turned irreversible. This is a table set for one. This is the story of Yang Xin.